So my name's Tazio Ottis. We're in Patrick Ottis Company, my dad's shop, and I'm standing in front of our 1955 Ferrari 750 Monza, chassis number 0510. This car was new in 1955 and raced by both Phil Hill and Carroll Shelby at that time. Its first race, where it finished second overall, was at the 12 Hours of Sebring in '55. And then it continued to get run by the pair at various races. It ran in '55 and '56 in the Del Monte Trophy at Pebble Beach, and both of those guys won both those years in it. And then it continued on to be run by Jim Hall. It was kind of his first race car, and he took his first win in it. And he ran it kind of into the late '50s, and then it sat until we acquired it a few years ago at public auction. When we got the car, we wanted to take it all apart because it hadn't been run since the '50s, right? So it's been sitting for a really long time. We had two goals in mind. We wanted to show it and do well at events like Amelia Island and Pebble Beach. And we also wanted to race the car at big historic venues. So it's a little bit complicated to kind of do both those things and do it right. Luckily, there's a lot of photographic evidence from when it ran. So we got kind of every single detail right with the car that we possibly could, going back together. To get it to be ready for the racetrack, we took the motor apart, we took the transaxle apart. Some of the mechanical parts of this car are somewhat complicated, and they were ahead of its time. So getting those just right and ready to run took a little bit of effort, but I think we did a really great job with it. We were successful on the racetrack as well. So, you know, we're really happy. We're really pleased to be able to share that steering wheel and bring it back to life today. In 2019, it was a pretty significant year for both the car and us, and luckily we got it in before everything that's happening now. But we finished the restoration on this car, and it was the first time bringing it back to pretty much anything since the late '50s. We showed the car at Pebble Beach and Amelia Island. We won our class in both venues. And we also raced it in the Motorsports Reunion at Monterey, along with a couple other smaller events locally. And we were successful in both of those as well. We were the fastest Ferrari at Laguna. Something we're really proud about with this car is we were able to demonstrate that you can both race the car competitively and also show it on an international platform competitively, and do both on the same weekend if you want to. And that's part of what we do here at our shop and what we want to provide to other people, but it was a real honor to be able to do it for ourselves as well. So that's kind of our story. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.